Ljubljana truly is a city that lives with nature. It is spreading very quickly, and residential and commercial areas are spreading into natural environment near the rivers. Because of urbanization of floodplains, the flood risk is increasing. The Glinscica catchment in Ljubljana is one of the 9 demo areas in the NAIAD project. Because of its long history of regulation and urbanization of its floodplains, it presents a high flood risk that affects 5 city districts. Fast drainage through the straightened stream channel brings the flood wave directly into the city center. Within the NAIAD project, we are researching the innovative approaches to address different interests of stakeholders by applying participative process and planning of nature-based solutions that can provide multiple benefits such as decreasing flood risks, decreasing flood damage and costs, improved ecological status of the river, and new additional recreational spaces for local residents. This would also benefit the people, the environment, and the local economy. Glinscica has been highly regulated for almost a century, and mostly with concrete and stones. Lack of bank vegetation, straightened stream channel are causing overheating. They provide little or no habitat for fish or invertebrates, and they prevent sediment transport within the stream. And regulations are causing faster drainage and contribute to downstream flooding. We would like to re-establish river meanders at this location to decrease the speed of the flow, thus slowing down and diminishing the flood peak, and simultaneously to speed up the process of water infiltration into the ground. A more natural stream will dissipate water energy, provide habitat for fish and invertebrates, enable sediment transport, and mitigate overheating. We will install a measuring station on this bridge to collect data and to monitor the water levels. Free station is a measuring station that monitors water level, temperature, humidity, and air pressure, and sends the data directly to an online cloud server. It has been designed on the open source principle, which means that anyone can build it themselves. By measuring water levels on this location, we can monitor when exactly the water level starts to rise and how the reservoir is filling up. The fast drainage of rainwater from the impermeable surfaces in urban areas during heavy rain. In the past, the water infiltrated the ground and it took several hours to reach the river, whereas nowadays we collect it from the roofs and streets to concrete drainage canals which take it directly to the river. Rainwater is locally retained and infiltrated where it reaches the ground. Example, we can take this space in between the residential buildings, lower it, and create a sinkhole at the lowest point. We would also reroute rainwater from the roof of surrounding buildings into this park, which will serve as prevention for flooding of the downstream area. The idea to restore Glinscica has been developing for decades, but we believe that through the work that we're doing, we can advance the process to implementation phase so that this idea becomes a reality. The project is still in progress. At the moment, we are assessing the economic impacts of proposed nature-based solutions, and we expect the results to be ready in June 2019.